use promio.connect features via the REST API, you must create a REST API key. To do this, go to the Settings and API section in the menu. In addition to a link to the latest API documentation, you will first see an overview of keys that have already been created, as well as a log of the last requests. You can create a new API key via the Create API Key action in the Floating Action button. In the first step, you must assign a name. This should describe the application that will use the REST API via this key. In the second step, you must authorize IP addresses. Here, you can either enter individual IP addresses or, by using wildcards, a range of IP addresses. Alternatively, you can allow requests from all IP addresses, though this should ideally not be a permanent solution. Targeted authorization is recommended here. In the third step, define permitted endpoints. You can specify which API endpoints may be used with the API key you have created. You can either enable all endpoints or select specific ones to restrict functionality as required. To do this, click in the input field and select the desired endpoints with a mouse click. Clicking on Create generates the key, which appears as a new entry in the list of API keys. To change the settings of an existing API key, click on the corresponding entry in the list. You can edit the name of the API key using the pencil icon. You can also deactivate the API key so that it can no longer be used. In the menu, you have the option to adjust the allowed IP addresses and edit the allowed endpoints.